Welcome my friends, welcome to this video in which I will show you how to transform a pallet into a table. I am preparing this table in the perspective of a big party with my friends under the code name InnoSup, and as they're rather a big number, I need some tables for getting them seated for a very nice dinner. So here the table, and they will have to also sit somewhere, and so this here will be a bench. Let's go. So for making this table, you will of course need a pallet. So this here is a four-way pallet, meaning you can enter from all sides. And what is interesting here is that on one hand we have boards all along the width, and on the second hand it's rather clean wood. You will also need a two-way pallet for recuperating the little beams which are underneath. And you also need a third pallet for dismantling the two-way pallet. Pas mal. Faites-le maintenant. Ça va être bien stable sur le sol. Now I need to know the exact height of my table, and for this I'm checking inside the right measurement. So for knowing the height of the table, I'm taking a normal table. This is the wonderful table that I've restored. See the wonderful series about it. And now I'm measuring, and I can see that the height of the table is 76. Now I'm measuring height of the upper boards. So we've seen that the height of the table is 75.5, the height of the board is 1.4, so I need to cut the boards at a height of 71.1. So here I'm putting the boards together so that they're touching in the back a single board. And now I'm measuring the 74.1. So now we just have to cut these feet. It would have been better with a circular saw, but here I'm taking the jigsaw. So now I will connect the table feet, and for this I'm taking speed clamps. And I'm making sure that the side of the speed clamp is well aligned with these parts here. And I'm doing the same on the other side. That's it, my friends. Now the table is ready. You can just turn it upside down. That's it, my friends. Now the table is ready, and it's stable like another table. And now I'm doing small improvements for a longer lasting version.